everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make a weather forecasting app using Python. So let's get started. Before creating an app, we will need to go to OpenWeatherMap website. If you don't have an account, then just create your account. I have already created, so I'll just sign into my account. Then go here and click on my API keys. So this is your API key. So let's break down the code step by step in simple words. The first step will be importing the request library. To import the library, we just need to simply write pip install requests in your terminal. This library helps us make HTTP requests to get data from the internet. The second step is defining a function to get weather information. Create a get weather function that takes two inputs, the name of the city and an API key. Third step is setting up the API URL and parameters. The URL is the web address where we will send our request to get weather data. Parameters is a dictionary where we store the city name, our API key, and the unit of measurement. Fourth step is checking if the response is successful. Response status code gives us the status of our request. 200 means it was successful. Sixth step is extracting and printing the weather information. We get different pieces of weather information, temperature, description, humidity, etc. from the data dictionary. We print this information in a readable format. I will just type it fast. Okay, and comes handling errors. If the response wasn't successful, status code is not 200, we print an error message, city not found or invalid API key. Then the last step is getting the API key and city name from the user. We will just copy API key from OpenWeatherMap and paste it here. We ask the user to type the name of the city. We call the getWeather function with the city name and API key. Now let's input the city name. Let's say London. Here's the weather information. So we have created the weather forecasting app successfully. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.